Hey guys, JD the therapist here, and I got this product to review from the company for this video. But if you're looking for a luggage set, this does it all. This is really nice. Not only does it come with the case itself, with the wheels, it also has the toiletries bag and a carry-on bag too as well. Comes with a lock, so that way you can keep all of your items secure, and it's TSA safe, or it's TSA approved. Automatically set to 000. And when you go ahead to use this to reset it, all you're going to do is put an object here in this slot. You put that in, change the combination to whatever that you want, wait for a click, press down, and then you have your new code. But initially, right now, it's set to 000, so it's going to open up. If I try to change it, it doesn't move down at all. So once I put the code in, unlocks, and then we can open up the case. Now, inside the case itself, you have ample storage. And it also gives you that expander slot here. So that way, if you do have a lot of luggage, you can get that extra gap there. On the top, you have this section here. And then you have another section too as well that you can open up for a separation. So you can put all your clothes in here. And then on the bottom side, this is where you have your toiletries bag and your carry-on. Inside the toiletries bag, you can put a lot in here. Right now, I've got my toothbrush, a large lotion bottle, medication, cologne. I've got everything that I need right in here. You've got a couple pockets. It's all mesh fitting. And then you can zip that right up. With the backpack, a lot of storage space in here. I have my MacBook in here, which fits really easily. And then with the baby coming with me, I have my wipes and I have my diapers right here. Space along the front side here with my charging cords for my laptop. And then along the front, you've got two pockets that are extremely deep. I could even put the wipes in the front if I really wanted to for easier access. And then you also have this deep pocket here too as well. Along the sides, you've got two pockets for containers. So if you want to carry a water bottle with you, you could. And they are expandable. There is a little elastic there, so that way it can expand. And then one of the things that I like is that it has this little button here. So that way you can loop it against your toiletries or against whatever you have. And then just button it up against itself. So that way everything's all in one place. Zip it up, and then you're ready to go on vacation. Lock that up so you're nice and secure. Now this does have 4 wheels along the bottom, so you could always drag this along. And you also have your handle here too. So that way you can take this and carry and move everything around, adjust it to a couple different spots. But I'm all set for my vacation. If you're looking for a luggage case, I would definitely say check this out.